What is up, everybody? It's your boy Foreign DJ, and today I'm teaching you how to get 360 waves in 2018.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again.
Alright, so first things first, we're going to start off with a fresh haircut. So right now, go to the barbershop, get a haircut. At this very moment, pause the video and come back when you're done. Alright, so you should be back from the barbershop if you went. And so you start with a fresh haircut. Before you even get started with waves, you want to hop in the shower, grab the shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to tell you what I use. I use Cantu moisturizing cream shampoo and Cantu hydrating cream conditioner. So basically what you want to do is you're going to put the shampoo in your hair and you're going to brush, like basically like getting waves. That's how you brush your hair. But while you get out, wash your hair, shower, dry off. Next, what you want to do is get the wave grease and a brush. So I got the CQP medium hard with the handle blue. $24.95 was the total. That's unnecessary. This is all you need to start off with. A two-sided wave enforcer or a wave enforcer 522 or 552, my bad. Dark brown one. But yeah, so what you want to do is we'll start off with the Let me play the clip right quick, show y'all my waves.
Fuck it, ice trader gang. Ice trader gang. Ice trader gang. Ice trader gang. Fuck it, ice trader gang.
But yeah, so you're gonna be spinning like that after you watch this video. But anyways, so you wanna get the wave grease, put it in your head, blah blah blah. You wanna pick up the brush. Oh, my bad. I personally got this because it reach more areas. So the top you brush down straight. The back you brush down straight. The back right, you go down like diagonal. The side right, you come at an angle. Same with the left side and stuff. But yeah, all you need is this start off. And personally, I don't use wave grease. I like to go natural, so I got the Cantu shea butter for natural hair, moisturizing curl activator cream. Get you some natural products. No unnatural products all 2018 because it's bad for the hair, put petroleum in it and all that stuff. But hey, so after you do all that, after you put the wave grease in, brush your hair, you got the first cut you feeling yourself. Put the do-rag on. You gotta sleep with the do-rag. And let me set this straight. No product gets you waves. Brushing gets you waves. Brushing gets you waves. That's the only thing that gets waves. You can get waves with just water if you wanted to. It's gonna take longer, but it's possible. I mean, nothing gets you waves. Brushing gets you waves. So if you wanna be spinning like me, like you just saw in that video clip, follow these steps. So go to the barbershop, get the haircut. Coarse hair, get 1 or 1.5. Medium, 1.5 or 2. And then straight, you want to get a 2 or 2.5. So yeah, step 1, get the haircut. Step 2, wash your hair, brush it, shampoo and all that. Step 3, get your wave grease or Cantu or whatever, put it in your hair. Step 4, pick up the brush, go to work. You want to brush for an hour every day. So 4 15-minute sessions, 2 30-minute sessions, however you want to do it, just brush for an hour a day. You want to brush throughout the day. At night, put the do-rag on, go to sleep, wake up, repeat. And that's how you can be wavy. It's your boy Foreign DJ. Share this video, like, comment, subscribe on the road to 300 subs. Let's get it.